In the last video, we saw ZSEP recovery and VSEP recovery. If you have not watched the video yet, you can find the link in the I button. In this video, we will see some more SEPs like U, W and K SEP recovery. Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I welcome you all to another video of KYC, that is Know Your Concepts, where we try to let you understand basic economic and financial concepts in short videos. U-SEP recovery. It is similar to V-SEP recovery. However, unlike V-SEP recovery, this takes much time. Job losses happen predominantly, hence it forces the majority to rely on their savings. As people are on their savings and there is no flow of income, they start avoiding non-essential expenditures like dining, vacation, parties, etc. W-SEP recovery. In this recovery SEP, the economy grew momentarily to fall again, creating a W-SEP before reaching to the normal. It is also known as double dip recession. This double dip happens as the reason for the slowdown persists for a longer period. It does permanent damages to the economy. The United States experienced a W-SEP recovery in the early 1980s. From January to July 1980, the US economy experienced the initial recession, then entered recovery for almost a full year before dropping into a second recession in 1981 to 1982. K-SEP recovery. This is one of the most peculiar SEPs. When the recovery starts, it starts differently for different sectors. Some sectors revive quickly, whereas some continue to struggle. The gap between the two sectors widens with time. For instance, during the pandemic, digital services like broadband service, e-commerce and edtech companies have flourished, whereas hospitality sector, including businesses like hotels, restaurants and airlines, went through difficult times. You can see some signs of K-SEP recovery in India from these two news stories. When the majority of India is debt-ridden due to job losses, Mercedes achieved its Maybach SUV's yearly sale target in a month. And an Oxfam report said that the wealth of Indian billionaires increased by 35% during the lockdown. These two stories show how unequally different sectors are reviving in India. We saw multiple steps of recovery in this video. If you have any doubt related to it, feel free to post it on the comment box. I hope you got to learn something new from this session. If you have, then please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell so that you do not miss any updates. This is Amit signing off.